Good morning. I'm Earth Doctor Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast SOS.com. I admire many people, and I have the utmost respect for John Muir. He was a farmer, inventor, naturalist, explorer, writer, activist, conservationist, and the co-founder of the Sierra Club. Born in Scotland on April 21st, 1838, he emigrated with his family to America in 1849, settling first in Wisconsin. At the tender age of 29, Muir walked thousands of miles from Indianapolis to the Gulf of Mexico. He sailed to Cuba and later to Panama, where he crossed the isthmus and sailed up the west coast, landing in San Francisco in March of 1868. From that very moment on, California became his home state. He walked across the San Joaquin Valley, through waist-high wildflowers, and into the high country of the Sierra Nevada. He lived in the Yosemite Valley for 3 years and observed nature. Muir essentially became a student of nature. Muir's observations and interpretations of nature were profound, and his gift for communicating on paper was eloquent and sublime. Muir's activism helped save the remaining giant sequoias, which were being felled just for the sake of being felled. OMG! His excellent lobbying helped preserve Muir Woods, the Yosemite Valley, and Sequoia National Park, home to General Sherman, the largest single-stemmed tree on planet Earth, a must-see for everyone. Muir inspired presidents and congressmen to take action and preserve large nature areas. It earned him the well-deserved moniker Father of the National Parks. Muir was a big ecological thinker. He believed his mission was to save the American soul from total surrender to materialism. Muir loved nature. He respected wilderness, and he was one of the forefathers of the late 18th century environmental movement. Let me share with you some of his exceptional quotes. When we try to pick out anything by itself, we find it hitched to everything else in the universe. Everyone needs beauty as well as bread, places to play in and pray in, where nature may heal and give strength to body and soul alike. When we contemplate the whole globe as a great dewdrop, striped and dotted with continents and islands, flying through space with other stars all singing and shining together as one, the whole universe appears as an infinite storm of beauty. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. Between every 2 pine trees, there is a door leading to a new way of life. Another glorious day, the air as delicious to the lungs as nectar to the tongue. Going to the mountains is going home. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. The snow is melting into music. John Muir was an exemplary human being and a sentinel of nature. Please support the okraproject.org because they're making Earthcast SOS possible. I'm Earth Doctor Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.